In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dotted halftone pattern effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, click the lock icon to unlock the background layer, then right-click the background layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Rename this layer as Subject. Go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Black and White. Set the black and white preset to default, and click OK. Click the New Layer button to add a new layer. Make sure the new layer is selected, then go to Edit and choose Fill. Set the contents to 50% gray, and click OK. Right-click this layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. With this layer selected, go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. In the Sketch section, choose Halftone Pattern. Set the size to 12, contrast to 0, and set pattern type to dot. Click the New Effect Layer button to add a new effect layer. And now click Torn Edges. Set Image Balance to 30. Smoothness to 13. And set Contrast to 1. And click OK. Rename this layer as Halftone Pattern. Change the Halftone Pattern layer's blending mode to Hard Mix. Then set Halftone Pattern layer's fill to 60%. Now with the Halftone Pattern layer selected, go to Filter, Distort, and choose Twirl. Set the angle to 50 degrees, and click OK. And that's it. You've successfully created a dotted halftone pattern effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.